Hello traders, Day Trader Matt here of businesswithtrading.com, doing a trading strategy recap for the 11th of March, Wednesday, and today was another fun day in the markets. It was kind of an ugly day, but it was a good day all in all. Yesterday we ended up dropping 2.5 points. Today we made 3 points, so we made a very little bit back. But it was an interesting day nonetheless. Today we made 2 trades, and we ended up pulling 3 points out of the market. Our first trade was a long down here. We were able to ride that up, and we pretty much took profits right here as the market did start to roll over. We ended up getting out and kind of just watched things from there. Market came down, chopped around a little bit, came back up, and then sold down here, was ugly, and then just sold off very strongly. So we ended up taking a short right up here, and we ended up taking profit very quickly on this move down here. We were watching it, we ended up getting out, and then price started to move higher. It's definitely interesting. We tried to get short up here, couldn't get short, didn't get filled. Thinking about getting short up here, but the market never made it up there. Doesn't really matter. I've been talking the past few days and sporadically in other videos about not getting filled on a trade. A lot of traders hate that. Like, they see that worse than actually losing money on a trade, which is very illogical. But that's how our brains work. Our brains don't really like probability, they like certainty. Not getting filled on a trade is, hurts that. Yeah, losing money hurts as well, but it hurts in a different way. And our brains react differently from that. There are many different situations in the market. Markets are very complex. They don't have to be complex in the way we approach them to trade them, but they're complex in its very definition, of what a market is. And in looking at that, our brains are going to react differently from that. A lot of the quote-unquote trading psychology out there doesn't really help you. Some of it does, but some of it doesn't. And just because something's popular doesn't make it helpful. Because as human beings, we like novel things, and then we like things that gravitate towards the side of fear. Those are the things that we remember most. And if you watch commercials on television, I personally disdain commercials, so I try to go out of my way not to watch them. But from the perspective of what we're talking about today, if you watch them, you'll start to see things in those commercials that, oh yeah, that's why that jingle stands out, or that's why I eat that shit they have on television, because of that commercial, or whatever. But you'll start to look at things a little bit differently, and that's really what the whole concept behind the business with trading is all about. It was started because I was working with a lot of new traders. Some of them were brand new, some of them had been around for a little while. But it was around the idea of, okay, take your trading, but do it as a business, not as a hobby. So a business with trading was born. I thought it was the best name for the strategy I was going for. Trade as a business, don't trade as a hobby, because a lot of people trade as a hobby. That's just what it is. And hopefully, from the videos, you've learned a little bit and seen how I've done things. I treat everything very, everything's very important to me. Being able to have a business and control my income is awesome. I can come into the market, maybe I make a little money, maybe I lose a little money, but I know that the strategy that I have, that over a set period of time, I'm going to make money, I'm going to be happy, and I can save some of that money. And that's really what life's all about, is to make money, to save it, and to have fun. Because if you don't have any fun, whatever you do, you're going to screw it up anyway, because you're just working all the time. I've seen many great people, work their ass off, not take any time out for anything else, and just die unhappy. And that's not what I want for myself. It's not what I want for anybody. So anyway, I know I got off tangent a little bit, but it is what it is. I record these videos whatever I feel like, whoever I'm talking to that day, and whatever I feel is an important topic. If you guys have a topic that you feel is important, feel free to email me. That's what these videos are for. Is to be a little bit helpful. And to show, I'm not in the market all the time. From here to pretty much the end of this, we'll say from 9:50 till almost a full hour, we were not in the market. And then we got out at the bottom of this one, so we'll call it from 11:10 on, we were not in the market. And the first 8 minutes, we were not in the market. So trading is not, you have to be in the market all the time. Trading is, okay, I know what I'm doing, I have these clear setups, I'm going to take this here and this here and this here, and I'm very confident that taking these trades at over a set period of time, I'm going to be profitable. And profitable is a relative term, because it's going to mean something different to just about everybody. Because everyone's different, everyone has different goals, everyone has different things they want to achieve. So anyway, with that, I'm going to end the video right there. If you guys have any comments, suggestions, feedback, you can always leave them in the comment section. You can also email me directly if you choose to, support@abusinesswithtrading.com. I'm also doing a trade coaching guarantee this month. If you come on as a coaching client, I will guarantee your success. And what that means is, yeah, you're going to pay me for coaching, and I'm going to do my best to coach you. But if I'm not a good coach, I'm going to refund your money. I want to give it at least 6 months to see if you're successful. And if you're not successful, I did a horrible job. It's not me saying I'm great, look at me. It's me saying, okay, I know what emails I've gotten, I know what questions I've gotten. How about we change things up a little bit? And you come on as a coaching client, and I'll guarantee your success. It's something I've never seen in the industry. A lot of people don't have the balls to do it. But it's something I kind of feel like doing. It's March Madness, it's springtime. Why not? It sounds great to me. And it's going to be a very fun year. So anyway, with that, you can always give the office a call if you're interested. And on the website, under the About tab, contact us. It'll have the phone number. Or you pull the website up on your phone, scroll down to the bottom, there'll be a link that says click here to call our office, or it might just say call our office. Click it and it will give us a ring, and we'll go from there. So hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.